If you have a subscription to Microsoft Office 365, then you also have subscription to premium version of Microsoft Teams. And if you have an access to an organizational Microsoft Office 365, and as long as the admin has actually enabled it, you will have access to Microsoft Teams right here. So this is the home page of Office as I sign in onto my account, as you can see right here. So in order to access Teams from the left side, you can see Teams is already here. So all you need to do is click on Go to Teams and it'll load up Teams right here on the new tab, as you can see right here. So it's initializing Teams, as you can see, just like this. And it says get Windows app right here. So it is loading out the Teams right here as well. You can also, of course, download out Teams to your desktop and use it as well. So you can see that now this is the Teams right here. It is a bit different, but is more feature rich. So you can see that I'm signing in right here, just like this. It is a bit different than the free version of Microsoft Teams. And over here on the left side, you can see that there are more options right here. Like there's Teams, there's assignment, there's calls, files, and so forth right here. And there's more option right here, just like this. And of course, you can download out the Teams to your computer as well and start using it. So from over here, you can see that you have access to other Microsoft 365 apps as well. So here you can see the activity, you can see the chat, you can see the Teams right here, you can see the assignments, calls, and details right here. You can access out your contacts if you have contacts, and go to files right here as well, and so forth, as you can see, and access out everything just like this. And that is how you can go around and then access out the premium version of Office 365 Microsoft Teams if you have a subscription towards Office 365. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.